Hello friends, today we will talk about the tips to pick the right door for your home. When a person walks into the house, the first thing they notice is the entrance door. Earlier, while selecting doors, people used to consider doors only from the security point of view. However, now with modern innovation and style, doors come in many different designs and varieties. Right doors need to be chosen on the basis of the correct material, quality, and durability, points out a technical expert. Since doors are highly visible and one of the most utilized portions of a home, they observe thoughtful attention when it is time to buy new ones. The right kind of doors are durable and resistant daily uses. They ensure minimal sound transfer between rooms and add character or style to the home's overall interior design, adds the expert. So, how do you pick the right type of door for your home? Lift and slide doors. According to experts, lift and slide doors are designed for large openings and unobstructed views. People who prefer clear views and bigger size doors may choose such doors. Those doors are very popular in the market as they offer smoother functioning than any other standard sliding door. Being big, these doors give a panoramic view and make the room feel more spacious. These doors are also available in soundproof and weather-resistant quality as well. Many people favor lift and slide doors as an extension of their living room. Casement doors. Casement doors are the ideal doors to add charm and beauty to the house. These doors inevitably keep the ambience warm and serene. Casement doors have features like a multi-point locking system, robust hinges, and tougher laminated safety glasses. Casement doors in both single and dual sash options are most preferred for the main entrance as their appearance is quite engaging and creates a beautiful entry. Sliding doors. With these types of doors, a gentle horizontal push and you get the view of the outer world. Sliding doors are apt for modern structure as they do not cover much space and allow maximum natural light. The most important aspect of sliding doors is that they offer effective sound and weather barriers. Sliding doors also offer contemporary styling, excellent performance, and smooth integration. Manufactured by implementing the highest standards of engineering along with creative imagination, styling, and designing, sliding doors are as beautiful as they are reliable and secure for homes and offices. Slide and fold doors. Slide and fold doors have a lot of flexibility and make the entrance welcoming. With more flexibility and comfort, the usability of slide and fold doors adds a new dimension to homes and offices. These days, custom wood and aluminum, glass slide and fold doors are in fashion. This unique combination gives not only a dramatic effect but also makes your surroundings appear spacious and large. Some other considerations before you pick your door. While you are keenly looking at every detail of the interiors, did you think about the door that opens into your living room or bedrooms? Should the door be opening into the room or towards the outside? Which design or detail work and color will go with the interior of that room? The style of the door should match the overall decor. The style of the door, double, single, detail work or plain, is something you must choose based on the overall decor of your home and also basis the specific room of installation. For instance, if your home is traditionally designed, pick doors with a carved wooden design. The door needs to complement the traditional decor and should have a regal design. Choose the side of the door swing carefully. Not many pay attention to whether the door must open towards the room or outside. This can be an important aspect to keep in mind when installing a door as it can impact the complete look of your room. Choose between a right hand or left hand door. Based on this, the handles and hinges will be installed. Safety tip: do not have a door that opens into a hall or corridor as this can be harmful. Frame your door. A well-framed door will ensure that it is not badly sized and also keeps it away from being damaged in the long run. Make sure that the size of the frame is right for the door to ensure easy opening and shutting. Soundproof doors. Make sure you install doors that are soundproof to a certain extent. This will keep you away from unwanted noises from the outside. To make sure that this is achieved, interior doors are given a sound transmission class STC. This measures the loss of sound from a door. The higher the STC number, the more soundproof the door is. While 25 is the lowest STC number, you can hear normal speech, 40 is medium, and 60 makes it completely soundproof. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For getting more useful and interesting information, subscribe to the Engineer Ajay Lal channel, How to Make Home.